Ngucanio gatagati ga kamiti ya kuhurana na ungumania Eacc na kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka Iebc irathie na mbere na gwakiriria gwakia. Riu Eacc ikionania kwaga kuiganira kumana na amwe a atongoria aria kamiti ino ihitukitie kuhuranira iturwa cia utongoria. Kuringana na murugamiri munene wa Eacc Twalib Mbarak ukoretwo uri undu wa kieha kuona namba nene ya ahuraniri iturwa makihitukio kuhuranira iturwa icio. Ona thengia wa gukorwo magomeirwo ni ciuria ciegie uigirireku wao hari kuiyukia iturwa cia utongoria.
You have people with fake papers and they have the guts to come and abuse institutions. Chest thumping saying they have degrees. How can you have a degree and you don't know your classmate? If you're asked, mention one classmate of yours, you don't know. I don't know, maybe in theology you study a degree without anybody. It's you and your God only. Maybe you can tip me. So this is where we have reached in this country. You have crooks who are now aggressive, fighting the systems.
Eacc niriga kwandikira Iebc kiuria rugamia ahuraniri magana meri ma mirongo ina na umwe kuhitahitanira iturwa cia kiuteti kuona mari na macira megie ngukumio na mangi ma gwikirira nganja uigiririku wao no Iebc ikihingiriria o atano ao na ikihitukia cionge na mithingi ya gukorwo matire na hinya wa kiwatho kumahingiriria kurugama.
We hear that 5 have been barred, the rest have been cleared. We've had assertion by the Iebc. I'm not bashing the Iebc, we work well with them, but I hear that they are saying it's none of our business to do the clearing and the vetting of the candidates. One may ask a very simple question. If it is not our role, why did they submit the names to us? What was our business?
Eacc kuhitukira Mbarak riu irenda gutabanirio mogaruruku mawatho-ini ma ithurano niguo kung'ethanira na ciiko cia atongoria aria matakinyaniirie ikiro cia kiwatho undu umwe na aria mari na maratathi ma ngungo ma mathomo.
There are laws in the constitution which need to be amended. But when we have, somebody has talked of the next parliament and the senators, we may have about 40% crooks. To me, I think it could be more than 60%. 60% of MPs, senators, and governors who I will call them as white-collar crooks, and then you expect those guys to come and streamline laws that will hang them.
Maya meyumiririe hindi ya kigomano na atongoria a dini itiganite guku bururi-ini kuria maiguithaniirie kunyitanira hari guthomithia muingi bata wa guthura atongoria mari na uigiririku, gukomithia ciiko cia ungumania hamwe na mangi.
Rebuke electoral malpractices from the pulpit, advocate for effective enforcement of Chapter 6 of the Constitution. 3, be appropriate role models and inspire citizens to embrace honest living, expose and condemn corrupt conducts.
That one there's no
Girivotera Kameme TV, Jitogomora. Question
about it.